court is in session. Meghan Dunn took it to court. The defamation trial involving rapper Megan Thee Stallion and online commentator Milagro Cooper opened in Miami, with Cooper as the first witness, facing allegations of promoting a digitally altered, sexually explicit video and coordinating with imprisoned rapper Tory Lanez. This is according to an article in Legal Affairs. Also, this video is for entertainment and informational purposes only, so everything is allegedly and according to my opinion as well. Cooper testified that she directed followers to the video because it was of public interest, though her lawyer argued she didn't actually share or publicize it herself. So even though she has admitted, according to this article, to having directed people to this video, her defense is she is not the one who originally posted the video is my takeaway from this. We'll have to see how that defense plays out, as it is only day one of the case. During opening statements, Meghan's attorney, Marie Hayrepechen, played both audio of the 2020 Pow Pow by Lanez and the disturbing altered video for the jury. The approximately 45-second clip included Cooper's live stream commentary, where she told viewers, "Watch how this post jump. I just liked it and I tweeted, go to my likes." Hayrepechen argued that Cooper turned attacking Meghan into her brand and built her platform through coordinated efforts with Lanez's team to tear down Meghan. So this is what Meghan's team is claiming, that Milagro was trying to tear her down. If this is true, then that would mean that another black woman was working to tear down another black woman. So sad. However, everything is allegedly. Cooper's defense attorney, Natasha B.N.A., worked to separate this case from Lanez's criminal conviction, arguing that while Meghan was indeed pow-powed, that California case shouldn't dominate this Miami trial. So Milagro's lawyer is admitting that Meghan was pow-powed. Very interesting. She characterized Cooper as a legitimate businesswoman, a married mother and former criminal justice major with victim advocacy training, who simply comments on topics her audience requests. B&A insisted Cooper's criticisms constitute protected speech rather than conspiracy. So this is Milagro's defense, is that she was using protective speech on her podcast. The trial revealed significant evidence about Cooper's communications with Lanez's circle. Text messages showed arrangements between Cooper and Lanez's father, Sunstar Peterson, regarding a Miami interview where Peterson unusually paid Cooper. When questioned about promoting Lanez's music video Cap, which contained imagery seemingly targeting Meghan, Cooper claimed she was merely discussing her followers' interests rather than coordinating with Lanez. A major focus emerged around Cooper's deletion of texts and WhatsApp messages in violation of a legal notice. The judge will instruct jurors to assume the deleted messages were both related to the case and unfavorable to Cooper. Additionally, Lanez and his lawyer faced $25,000 in sanctions for disruptive behavior during a deposition where Lanez refused to answer questions about his relationship with Cooper. Now, this is not surprising that Tory would not answer these questions, in my opinion. Not surprising that he would not cooperate with Meghan's defense. During testimony, Cooper spoke so rapidly that the court reporter repeatedly had to ask her to slow down, prompting Judge Altanaga to warn, "This is not a video clip. This is not a podcast." Cooper maintained she had an open mind about Lanez's guilt before his trial, but testified that while Meghan got hurt, the truth became unclear as the case progressed. Early texts from Cooper to Lanez were revealed, showing her seeking an exclusive interview. "I don't know how your energy is, but everything's been so crazy, and I can only imagine. If you gave me that or any exclusive, it'd change my life." While Cooper acknowledged hoping for an interview, she denied that Lanez influenced her coverage of him or Meghan. The case has broader implications about social media commentary and legal responsibility. Cooper's defense portrays her as one of millions of Americans online expressing protected opinions, while Meghan's team argues she deliberately coordinated with Lanez to harm Meghan's reputation. The 9 jurors, selected in about 2.5 hours, were told to expect the trial to continue through next Wednesday, with possible extension past Thanksgiving. So this trial may last for over a week. Pretty sure they will take a break for Thanksgiving. Meanwhile, it is reported that the California Court of Appeal recently affirmed Lanez's convictions. Though Cooper testified she hasn't read the 46-page ruling, citing her focus on the current federal trial and a gag order preventing her from publicly discussing related issues like Lanez's convictions. This intersection of criminal and civil proceedings highlights the complex legal aftermath of the 2020 Pow Pow incident. Appears Tory has exhausted all appeals. Although Tory remains behind bars, the case against Milagro is a civil case and can only result in monetary damages. It will not see anyone being locked up unless this case leads to a criminal case being opened up. This is only day one of the case. No implications that this case will lead to criminal charges at this time. Looks like Meghan is following in Cardi B's footsteps and taking a blonder to court. Let me know what you think about this. Speaking of Cardi B, appears she is in the middle of drama once again. Yes, she is the drama. The unfolding drama between Cardi B and Offset has reached a new intensity, with Offset deactivating his Instagram account following serious allegations from his estranged wife. This according to an article in Entertainment. The situation escalated after Cardi B expressed feeling threatened due to harassment regarding her newest child's paternity, marking a significant turn in their already complex relationship. The controversy simmers around Cardi B's infant son, who she shares with NFL player Stefon Diggs. Offset, who has 3 other children with Cardi B, Culture 7, Wave 4, and Blossom 1, allegedly questioned the paternity of this newest addition to Cardi's family. My question is why Offset? Why are you now being the drama? Before deactivating his account, Offset reportedly posted and quickly deleted a cryptic message on his Instagram stories saying, "My kid, LOL," after news broke about Cardi's newborn with Diggs. This brief but pointed message added fuel to an already volatile situation. Cardi B has been particularly vocal about the severity of the situation, emphasizing that while some might find it amusing, she's been dealing with these issues for over a year and now fears for her safety. The 33-year-old rapper took to X, formerly Twitter, to express her concerns, though she later deleted the post. The deletion of posts from both parties suggests the sensitive nature of the situation and possibly legal implications. The family dynamics have become increasingly complex, with Cardi B now navigating life as a mother of 4. Recent social media activity shows her dealing with both serious issues and lighter moments, such as sharing her frustrations about her mother's extended stay to help with the new baby. She's been particularly vocal about how her pantry snacks have been disappearing and how her daughter Culture has been receiving special grandma treatment. These domestic details provide a stark contrast to the more serious undertones of the paternity dispute. The situation becomes even more layered when considering the extended family dynamics. Stefon Diggs, the new baby's father, brings his own family history to the equation, with 2 daughters from previous relationships, Nova and Charlie. This creates a complex blended family situation that now involves multiple high-profile personalities. Despite the ongoing tensions, Cardi B appears to be channeling her energy into her career and personal growth. She recently shared an optimistic Instagram post, appearing in a black puffer jacket and miniskirt while discussing her post-baby recovery. Her message focused on new beginnings and professional achievements, including upcoming music projects and her first-ever arena tour, scheduled to begin in February. In her recent social media posts, Cardi emphasized her determination to move forward, stating, "This next chapter is me versus me. It's me against all odds, me against everything meant to get in my way." She's currently immersed in tour preparations, focusing on both physical and mental conditioning. Her statement that "I've learned, I've healed, and I'm loving the woman I've become" suggests a positive outlook despite the personal challenges she's facing. The professional lives of both Diggs and Cardi B continue alongside this personal drama. While Cardi prepares for her arena tour, Diggs maintains his NFL career with the Patriots, with their next game scheduled against the Cincinnati Bengals on November 23rd. This situation exemplifies the challenges of maintaining public careers while dealing with personal matters in the spotlight. That's it for this video. In my opinion, Meghan did the right thing by taking this to court. Too many different opinions on the street, and it did seem like she was getting a lot of backlash. She needed to clear her name. Whether this case will do that remains to be seen. It is just the beginning. As far as the Cardi and Offset situation, seems like someone wants some attention, and it seems like Offset is getting that on the heels of Cardi's success. They both recently released albums. However, his album did not get as much of a buzz. Now he out here making subliminal comments about paternity when he can do a DNA behind the scenes. All these celebrities crave attention. For them, attention is the name of the game. Make sure you like this video, give this video a thumbs up, go ahead and subscribe to this YouTube channel, helps out with algorithm, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.